Christmas is around the corner, and while the world sings carols and unwraps gifts, spouses can spice up this holiday with some naughty gifts to raise the temperature this winter. So, if you are wondering what to gift your better half, we have just the thing for you. Today in Men Must Haves, I will show you some naughty gift ideas for your spouses. Who doesn't like a good board game? I personally love it. Now you know that you can add a twist to it. Roll the dice and come up with options as wild as you can think. Right from hickey to a lap dance or a good old striptease. You can also make cards for your spouse. And not just any card, but something that says, I want you or I want you to. Now, this another game is fun and sensual. This involves edible body paint. This game is great, especially after you have worked hard to work up that appetite and buy hard work. Slather edible body paint that comes in different flavors and let your partner taste them blindfolded and guess the flavor. Scented candles are great to stimulate your senses. Available in different flavors. They create an ambience of sheer pleasure. Pair it with some soothing music to cheer your partner. You can go as kinky as you want or just have a relaxing time with your partner. A game of dice is another sensational game that you can gift. This involves 3 dice, all having different purposes, but taking you to the same destination. One dice instructs what to do, the second dice tells you where to do it, and the third one describes how to do it. If you are bored with the same old ways, trust me, this gift will bring back the spark and excitement in no time. Lingerie is another gift that never fails. A gift that's sexy little thing, small enough to reveal a lot and apt enough to hide, letting imaginations run wild. Choose from a variety of colors and varieties such as lace or satin. Now, a silk blindfold for that element of surprise is also a great gift. The blindfold is all about building excitement to see what will happen next. Another fab gift for your partner is scented bath salts. You know your partner will thank you for this, as it will help you relax that overworked body after all that action. But if you don't have a bathtub, don't worry. Give one another a range of aromatic soap or body wash that smells divine. Lather your partner's body and see the magic happen. Of course, there is a range of drinks too that you can gift your partner with. Especially something that builds an appetite. A great bottle of champagne or wine in that awesome looking glass is quite romantic. You can also add some chocolates that you can eat off each other's hands, lips, or any other place you choose. Now, these gifts are not meant to last and are not for frequent use. So choose something memorable and exciting. So here's wishing you all a very spicy Christmas. So what are your plans for this Christmas? Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.